Hey guys, today in this video, we will be diving into a detailed review of the Citizens Bank Home Equity Line of Credit, also known as HELOC. If you are considering tapping into your home's equity, this review will help you understand whether Citizens Bank is the right lender for you. We will cover everything from their application process to their rates and fees. So, let's get started. Citizens Bank offers a home equity line of credit, commonly referred to as a HELOC, which is a flexible borrowing option for homeowners. This product allows you to borrow against the equity in your home, providing you with a line of credit that you can draw from as needed, much like a credit card. One of the standout features of Citizens Bank's HELOC is the speed of their process. They offer closing within 7 days and funding within 2 weeks, which is relatively quick compared to other lenders. Citizens Bank does not require a minimum draw amount for their HELOCs, which means you can borrow exactly what you need without any additional requirements. They also have no closing costs, making it more affordable to set up your line of credit. However, there is a $50 annual fee after the first year during the draw period, which borrowers should be aware of. For borrowers with less than the median income in their area and a credit score of at least 620, Citizens Bank offers a specialized HELOC product called GoBuilder. This product has a credit line up to $25,000 and is designed to be more accessible for those who may not meet the standard credit and income requirements. For the standard HELOC, borrowers need a credit score of at least 680. Citizens Bank does not specify the maximum loan amount for their standard HELOC, which means it may vary based on individual circumstances and the equity in your home. When it comes to interest rates, most HELOCs, including those from Citizens Bank, are tied to the prime rate. The annual percentage rate, or APR, you are offered will include a margin added to the prime rate, which depends on factors such as your credit score, existing debt, and the amount you wish to borrow. As of now, the prime rate stands at 8.50%. Citizens Bank does not post sample rates for their standard HELOC. However, the interest rate for a GoBuilder HELOC is the prime rate plus 3.25 percentage points. If you enroll in AutoPay from a Citizens Bank checking account, you receive a discount, bringing your rate to the prime rate plus 3 percentage points. Applying for a Citizens Bank HELOC can be done online, over the phone, or in person at a branch location. You can also request a call from an agent to review your home equity options and answer any questions. Citizens Bank has an online chat feature that connects users with a live agent for immediate assistance, which can be very helpful during the application process. The lender provides several phone numbers for their home equity lending team, depending on where you are in the application process. Once you are approved, you can open your HELOC account within 5 days and access cash within 2 weeks. One thing to note is that there is no fixed rate option with Citizens Bank's HELOC. All draws have a variable rate. The minimum line amount for a standard HELOC is $17,500, while the GoBuilder HELOC has a minimum line amount of $5,000. Both options have a 10-year draw period and a 15-year repayment term. The 10-year draw period is typical, but the 15-year repayment term is slightly shorter than some other lenders who may offer repayment periods of 20 years or more. To access your funds, you can connect a Citizens Bank checking or savings account to your HELOC account. This allows for easier management of your finances and quicker access to your line of credit. If you need to make a deposit from your HELOC account to an account at another bank, you will have to request a transfer, which could take longer. Additionally, borrowers cannot write checks directly from a Citizens Bank HELOC, which might be a limitation for some. For those who prioritize fast access to their HELOC funds, Figure is another lender worth considering, as they offer funding within 5 days. On the other hand, if you have not built much equity in your home yet, Navy Federal Credit Union allows homeowners to have a combined loan-to-value ratio up to 95%. However, keep in mind that Navy Federal members must meet specific eligibility requirements. HELOCs are a flexible way to access your home equity over a period of time, and you only pay interest on the funds you withdraw. However, it is important to note that rising interest rates can increase your monthly payments. Therefore, it requires discipline to avoid overspending, similar to managing a credit card. Alternatives to HELOCs include home equity loans, which offer a lump sum with a fixed rate, and cash-out refinances, which replace your existing mortgage with a larger loan. Citizens Bank offers cash-out refinances, but does not advertise home equity loans. In conclusion, Citizens Bank's HELOC is a good option for those who need quick access to funds and prefer not to have minimum draw requirements or closing costs. Their Goal Builder HELOC is particularly beneficial for borrowers with lower incomes and credit scores. However, it is important to be aware of the variable rates and the annual fee during the draw period. Always compare different lenders and products to find the best option for your financial needs. Outro. Alright, so I believe that's pretty much it for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.